What's the meaning of coincidental? Coincidental. Coincidental.
Coincidental. Coincidental. The term coincidental describes something that happens by chance or luck. It refers to a situation where two events occur together in a way that seems surprising but is not necessarily related. For example, if two friends run into each other unexpectedly while on vacation in another country, it could be described as coincidental. However, this does not imply that their meeting was planned or has any particular significance. Rather, it's just a happy coincidence that they happened to cross paths in an unexpected place at an unexpected time.